Have you ever wondered about the bedrock of support that underpins countless businesses across the United States? The silent partner, the legal lifeline, the registered agent service that ensures your company stays compliant and connected. We're talking about a fundamental piece of the business puzzle, one that often operates behind the scenes but is absolutely crucial for smooth operations. And among the leading names in this vital industry, Northwest Registered Agent stands tall. But how long has this seemingly ubiquitous service actually been around? What's their story? And why should their longevity matter to your business? Today, we're diving deep into the history of Northwest Registered Agent, exploring their origins, their growth, and the consistent commitment that has made them a trusted name for entrepreneurs and established businesses alike. You see, when you're entrusting a company with your critical legal documents and compliance needs, knowing their track record, their experience, and their staying power is incredibly important. It speaks volumes about their reliability and their ability to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of business regulations. So, let's peel back the layers and uncover the answer to our central question. How long has Northwest Registered Agent been in business? The answer might surprise some, but it certainly underscores their position as a seasoned veteran in the world of business formation and registered agent services. Northwest Registered Agent was founded in 1998. That's right, 1998. Think about that for a moment. We're talking about a company that has been operating for over a quarter of a century. In an era where businesses rise and fall with remarkable speed, achieving 25 years of consistent service is a testament to resilience, adaptability, and a deep understanding of their clients' needs. When Northwest Registered Agent first opened its doors in Spokane, Washington, the internet was still a relatively young phenomenon for most businesses. E-commerce was in its infancy, and the idea of forming a company entirely online was still a novel concept for many. Yet, Northwest Registered Agent recognized an emerging need. Businesses, regardless of their size or industry, required a reliable and compliant way to handle their official correspondence and legal notices. The role of a registered agent, mandated by every state for most business entities, was often cumbersome and confusing for new entrepreneurs. Northwest stepped in to simplify that process, focusing on core values that have remained consistent throughout their history: privacy, personalized support, and a no-nonsense approach to business services. Their journey began with a clear focus on providing exceptional registered agent services across all 50 states. This national footprint from the outset was a strategic move, anticipating the increasing mobility and interstate nature of modern business. They understood that entrepreneurs wouldn't be confined by state lines, and their registered agent service needed to reflect that flexibility. This early commitment to nationwide coverage set them apart and laid the groundwork for their extensive network of physical addresses and local presences, which are crucial for effective registered agent service. Over the years, as the business landscape evolved, so too did Northwest Registered Agent's offerings. While their core registered agent service remained paramount, they began to expand their suite of services to provide a more holistic approach to business support. This natural progression saw them moving into business formation services, helping countless entrepreneurs establish LLCs, corporations, and other business entities with ease. They recognized that the same clients who needed a registered agent often needed guidance through the initial setup process, from filing articles of organization to obtaining an employer identification number, EIN. This strategic expansion transformed them from solely a registered agent service provider into a comprehensive business identity solution. What truly differentiates Northwest Registered Agent and has contributed to their longevity is their unwavering commitment to customer service and a unique philosophy they call privacy by default and corporate guides. In a world increasingly driven by automated chatbots and impersonal online interactions, Northwest has maintained a focus on human connection. Their corporate guides aren't just call center representatives. They are trained business experts who provide lifetime support and genuine guidance, helping clients navigate complex business challenges far beyond just registered agent duties. This personalized touch, prioritizing client privacy and direct, expert assistance, has fostered deep trust and loyalty among their vast client base, which now numbers over 2 million businesses served. Consider the significance of operating for over 25 years in an industry that demands precision, legal compliance, and constant adaptation. The regulatory environment for businesses is dynamic, with laws and requirements changing regularly at both state and federal levels. A company that has navigated these changes for over 2 decades possesses an invaluable depth of experience. They've seen it all: recessions, technological revolutions, shifts in business paradigms, and have consistently adapted to continue serving their clients effectively. This long-standing presence translates into a profound understanding of best practices, a robust infrastructure, and a finely tuned system for handling crucial business documentation. Their longevity also speaks to their financial stability and operational resilience. Running a national registered agent service requires significant investment in physical office locations, secure data systems, and a highly trained workforce. A company that has sustained operations for over 25 years demonstrates a solid foundation and a commitment to long-term viability, providing peace of mind to their clients who rely on their consistent availability and service. Furthermore, being in business since 1998 means Northwest Registered Agent has built an extensive network and an unparalleled reputation within the legal and business communities. They've forged relationships with state agencies, developed streamlined processes, and earned the respect of countless attorneys, accountants, and business owners. This institutional knowledge and credibility are invaluable assets that benefit every client they serve. In conclusion, when you ask, how long has Northwest Registered Agent been in business? The answer is a resounding since 1998. This isn't just a number. It's a testament to their enduring commitment to privacy, personalized service, and a deep understanding of the intricacies of business compliance. Their 25-plus years of experience provide a powerful assurance of reliability, expertise, and a steadfast dedication to supporting businesses through every stage of their journey. Choosing a registered agent is a critical decision, and opting for a company with such a profound history offers an unparalleled level of confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.